The difference between a stressed runner and a smart runner isn't the watch they wear. It's knowing exactly which metrics to ignore. We have access to physiological metrics that elite marathoners didn't have 20 years ago, yet many of us are more confused than ever. We need a filter, not a bigger shovel. Think of your data as a hierarchy. At the bottom, you have noise. In the middle, context. At the top, your key performance indicators. You only need 2 KPIs per run. The secret is that your KPIs change based on the workout. For an easy recovery run, your primary metric is heart rate. Pace is irrelevant here. If you look at pace, you break the system. But on interval day, the script flips. Heart rate lags behind effort during short sprints, making it a poor metric. Here, power or pace becomes your primary focus, and HR is just context. This is the most liberating part. Build an explicit ignore list. If vertical oscillation or sleep score stresses you out without changing your behavior, delete it from your dashboard. Next, your system needs a safety switch. We call these red flags. If resting heart rate is elevated or HRV drops significantly for 3 days, the hard workout gets cut. No negotiation. I once tried to push through a red flag week because my training plan insisted on it. I ended up injured for 2 months. Data is a whisper before it becomes a scream. Listen to the whisper. As you get fitter, your metrics shift. A beginner watches heart rate to survive. An advanced runner watches aerobic decoupling to optimize efficiency. Update your settings every season. Never automate away your intuition. The most sophisticated computer is your brain. Rate of perceived exertion, RPE, should always run parallel to your digital data. If your watch says you're recovering in zone 1, but your body feels like it's racing at an RPE of 8, trust the body. Tech has sensor errors. Your lungs rarely lie. You don't need a PhD in data science. You just need a system that keeps you consistent. If looking at the numbers makes you dread the run, you're doing it wrong. True data mastery is calm. It's looking at a watch face, seeing one number, knowing exactly what to do, and getting back to the joy of movement. Master your data so you can enjoy the run.